Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix cannot edit start error writing the values new contents. To start, enter regedit in the search box. Click on the registry editor. Click yes to access. When you enter, you are going to right-click on the key where the start error is generated and click on Permissions. After that, click on the Advanced button. Now in the owner line, click Change. Here, enter the username and click on Check Names. Then click OK. You can see the owner changes. After this, click Add. In this window, click on Select a Principal. Enter the user's name again and click on Check Names. Apply this change. After this, check the full control box. Click OK, and in the next window, apply the changes by clicking Apply and OK. In the pop-up window, check that the user has these permissions. You can close the window. To confirm, double-click on Start, and you will see that it is now possible to edit its content. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.